Let me tell you the real reason kung bakit hindi pa talaga nagle-level up minsan ang buhay natin. Hindi dahil kulang sa tayo sa sipag, hindi dahil kulang tayo sa diskarte. Ang real reason, minsan, meron pa kasi tayong option na umatras. In other words, may fallback ka, may safety net ka. Ang tanong, hanggang kailan ka magkakaroon ng safety net? Hi there, this is Chinkitan, your pambansang wealth coach. Let's be honest, lahat po tayo gusto natin umunlad, umasenso ang ating buhay. Pero every time, when it gets hard, the question is, umaatras ka ba? Tumitigil ka ba? Naghahanap ka ba ng excuse? Siyempre, sinasabi natin minsan, pagod na ako, di ko kaya, di ba? Parang stress na ako. Yes, I know, your brain is telling you to stop. And your brain knows is trying to justify it. Sinasabi, hindi, ano naman, okay ka naman eh. Meron ka naman matutulugan, meron ka makakainan, meron man tutulong sa'yo. Pero ito yung reality. Naalala ko tuloy, no, may isang storya na isang kakilala ko, in terms of size, na hindi siya healthy. Tapos, wala siyang kinikita, nasa bahay lang siya, panay games lang. Pero sa kanya, sa loob-loob niya, na ginagawa na niyang lahat. Pero honestly, tuwing siya po ay magta-try at nare-reject siya, like for example, mag-a-apply siya, nare-reject siya, sinasabi niya, naku, masakit. Kaya, ano mong ginagawa niya? Pumapasok na lang siya sa kwarto, nag-gaming po siya. He's always finding excuses kung bakit di siya makuha. Kasi nga overweight daw siya, or if not naman, ginajudge siya. Until one day, alam niyo nangyari? Sinabi ng magulang niya, pag hindi pa siya talaga umayos, meron na lang siyang 30 araw sa loob ng bahay, kundi paaalisin na siya. So, nung natakot na siya, yung parang, wow, na-realize niya na seryoso na yung magulang niya. Wala siyang backup plan, wala na excuses, di ba? So in other words, wala na siyang babalikan. And doon po nagbago. Yung mindset niya nagsabi sa kanya na, ay, wala na akong choice. I need to find a way. And truly enough, you know what happened? He started to exercise, he started to feel better, and he was able to get a new job. So ito po yung problema ng karamihan. Hindi naman sa ayaw mo magbago. Gusto mo lang magbago kapag motivated ka. Gusto mo lang magbago kapag madali. Gusto mo lang magbago kung convenient. Pero ang reality is this, ang pagbabago po ay mahirap. Minsan kahit pagod ka, kahit wala kang gana, kailangan mo siyang gawin. Ang difference kasi sa kanyang sitwasyon, dati may choice siya na may babalikan. Pero ngayon, nung na-realize na wala siyang choice, wala siyang magagawa. So if you want to change your life, you want to create a new normal, kailangan mag-ipon ka. Kahit sinasabi mo, mahirap. Kailangan mo magbago ka. Kahit sabihin mo, naku, di ko kaya. Kung wala kang babalikan, maniwala ka, magbabago ang sitwasyon mo. So, let's talk about your money right now. Why are you still in financial stress? Not because you don't know what to do. Alam mo kumikita ka Pero ang reality, you stop when it gets uncomfortable. Yes, saving is uncomfortable. Budgeting is uncomfortable. Discipline is uncomfortable. And the reason why you cap out is because, alam mo, meron ka pang way out. And here's the truth. You cannot remove yung exit alone because of your environment. Kasi kung meron ka pang plan B at meron ka pang babagsakan o meron ka pang fallback, hindi talaga magbabago. That's the reason why you need structure, you need accountability, you need a system. Handa ka na ba na talagang sunugin mo na yung bridge mo na wala ka na talagang excuse? So para sa mga taong handa lang, okay, I created a break-free conference. This is where I can help you to remove your escape plan. This is where we can help you to build a new standard. This is where you can actually change. So, mark this on your calendar, April 25, Saturday po, 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. Two choices yan. Pwede ka mag-online para sa mga team abroad and team probinsya, or pwede ka rin mag-join with us face-to-face. It is time for you to burn your bridge. It is time for you to burn your second option. If nothing changes, your future will never change. Same income, same problems, same life. If you're ready to break free, just go to the link in the comment section, or if not, type BF so I will send you an invitation. See you on April 25.
Chinky Tan, with over 6 million Facebook followers, 2.8 million YouTube subscribers, and 2.4 million TikTok fans, is now all out to share with you the most practical, simplest path to lasting wealth.